Did you know that 44% of Americans have a side hustle? Wow. Are you part of this movement or are you getting ready to join them? Having a side hustle is a fantastic way to have financial freedom and supplement our income. Thanks to the advancement of technology, we can create content, generate ideas easily. There's no excuse. If you have always wanted to start your side hustle, you don't know where to start. There's no excuse anymore because we have tools out there like ChatGPT where you can leverage and fast track your entrepreneurial journey easily. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can truly utilize ChatGPT to get started, get going, get motivation. In the description of this video, I'm also offering you a prompt guide where you can utilize this to ask ChatGPT specific questions and how to start your side hustle and get you going. So don't forget to grab that. Let's go to the computer. While there is a paid version with additional features with ChatGPT, the free option is just as incredible and it's very powerful and it's more than enough for you to get started. Let's dive into how you can use ChatGPT to do some research and start your side hustle. This is what the interface looks like. Once you get to the website, this is what it looks like. So let's say you're interested in starting a digital download business to sell on Etsy. So I'm going to walk you through how I use ChatGPT to help me by asking it specific things. I'm interested in selling digital product on Etsy. So I'm going to ask it. So this is the first thing you're going to ask ChatGPT. Please help me research how to start a digital download business. I want to create digital products and offer them on Etsy. Let's see what it comes back with. So ChatGPT is going to give you a list. Look at all of this here. This is very, very helpful. This is very helpful. Starting a digital download business on Etsy is a great way to generate passive income while leveraging your creativity. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you launch and grow your digital product business on Etsy. First, it's telling you choose your niche, create your digital product, format your file for Etsy, open your Etsy shop. This is priceless, guys. Before AI, we were all struggling searching on YouTube on how to do all these different things, like what step to do first. The key to using ChatGPT is having very good prompts to ask it specific things. So, and it goes on, optimize your listing for sales, promote your Etsy shop, scale and automate for passive income. Final thoughts. You go through all these steps. This right here is gold. So these steps right here, it doesn't get any simpler than this, guys. It doesn't get any simpler than this. And one thing about ChatGPT that I love, it always speaks in the positive. You're the best AI tool for your Etsy shop. So it's telling me MidJourney. That's what it did. It told me go with MidJourney, was right on the top. And it produced stunning highlight detail art. And that's what I do. I'm a MidJourney girl. So your answer's right there. Sign up for Etsy. Use this link to register. What the heck? It's giving me a link. Let's click on it and see what it gives me. It's giving me a link to register. So it's like, this is, you see, there is no reason why we should not be using AI tool to help us scale our side hustle. Literally gave me the link. He's my assistant. You can even name him. I call him Chatty. Name him. It's telling you how you should promote your Etsy shop. And then it's telling you how you can scale and automate for passive income. Now is the time for you to take advantage of all these AI tools that's out there and scale a side hustle that you've always wanted to do. I created this guide right here. This here will help you ask the specific questions that you need to do in order to start your side hustle. Prompt for ChatGPT research. I have prompts like this that you're going to ask it, because the thing with AI tools, you have to ask the specific questions in order to get the result that you want. It'll give you generic stuff if you just asking it very broad questions. So you have to be very specific. So I have a prompt guide here for you where this one right here said, what are 10 profitable side hustle ideas for someone interested in? Then you're going to put your skills or the hobby that you want to start your side hustle in. What side hustle can I start with a budget of? And then you put the money that you have. Or you could say, what side hustle can I start with the budget of 0? People are using ChatGPT to launch successful successful businesses faster than ever. So if you're as excited as I am about the possibilities, it's time to take action. Leave a comment below with your side hustle idea. I'll love to hear them and help you get started. And don't forget to check out my next video where I'll share some more tips on maximizing your productivity with AI tool. And also don't forget to grab your free prompt guide that I have in the description. And thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if it was of any value to you. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.